Hi everyone, welcome. Today's topic is business intelligence. We have seen how business intelligence concept has changed the way organizations make decisions and gain a competitive advantage in today's fast-paced business landscape. Let's explore what business intelligence is. Firstly, business intelligence, often abbreviated as BI, which is a broad category of applications and technologies for gathering, storing, providing access, and analyzing data to help organization users make better, faster business decisions. It is very important to take some time to understand the business landscape for better understanding of BI. Let's understand business landscape first. We have different industries like FMCG, retail, telecom, banking, e-commerce, and insurance, so on. So each industry will be having different business functions or domains like HR, finance, sales, supply chain, marketing, and operations, so on. And here each business function again divided as a different regions like Europe, Middle East, Asia Pacific, North America, and other regions. And all of the regions may be using different applications from the service providers like Microsoft, SAP, and IBM. So, all these applications are responsible for the organization to bringing data to generate the data. So, business intelligence act as a bridge between raw data and actionable insights for the organization. So, when we say gathering and storing data, it is a systematic collection of data from various sources within and outside the organization. This could range from internal databases from different applications, as mentioned, and spreadsheets to external market research and customer feedback. The collected data is then stored in structured format, ensuring that it's easily accessible and manageable for analysis. The second point about the business intelligence is about providing access. So this is one of the key strengths of BI is its emphasis on democratizing data access, meaning through user-friendly interfaces and dashboards, BI tools enable authorized users across different levels of an organization to access relevant data, ultimately leading to a better decision making. Coming to the analyzing data, the heart of business intelligence lies in its ability to analyze vast amounts of data into meaningful insights. BA tools use various techniques such as query, reporting and analysis, data visualization, and online analytical processing to transform raw data into actionable insights. By identifying patterns, trends, and relationships within data, organizations can make well informed decisions. In conclusion, business intelligence is a collection of tools which helps organizations analyze their data for informed decision making by gathering, storing, providing access, and analyzing data for improving their business in the competitive environment.